These websites are quick, sometimes instantly, and you don't also have to sell anything. It has nothing to do with affiliate marketing either. It's a brand new website. I will share this cost-free platform with you where you have different ways to make money and earn money quickly with no previous experience. If you follow all the steps and you watch until the end, you will undoubtedly learn how to maximize your results with it. Now, I desire you to know that this is not a location to make big money online. It's simply a platform where you can earn some extra money when you need it. So don't expect too much from it, but it's still great aside. Hustle and it pays fast. But before we start, welcome to our channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, I wish to reveal to you this. As you can see, this is online work from home opportunities on this platform. You can discover various methods to make cash online. So, whatever you prefer or choose from this website, gain some distant quantity of money you might need. Even if this was your initial day online, you could still do this. It requires no previous experience. Even if you never made a cent online, you can still utilize this website to make some money. As you can see, cost-free registration right here. No investment is needed. You can start with $0 and always do this without investing any money in any way. You don't need to spend anything. It's free of charge to sign up. It will certainly stroll you with the entire process. They will certainly pay you online every time, as well as several of those payments are even instant. You have 24 hours a day online support if you require some help from them directly. Also, you can do this from throughout the world. It doesn't matter where you are coming from. You can still sign up cost-free and make money with this website. It doesn't matter if you are from India, Bangladesh, United Kingdom, United States or Australia. It doesn't matter where you are coming from because this is globally available. It's available around the world as well as any person can generate income with this website. Now, one more great thing about this website is that they approve different payment alternatives. So, you can earn money with PayPal, Bitcoin, Paytm, bank transfer or whatever payment option you prefer. I personally always choose to utilize PayPal. So, I can get paid almost instantly and then I can spend that money on whatever I want to. Yet, you can undoubtedly choose whatever alternative suits you. First of all, let's go through all of the jobs you can complete to generate income with this website. Because as I claimed, there are multiple methods you can earn money with it. First of all, you can complete various typing work and you can make up to $6 per page. You can do proofreading jobs, making $5 up to $10 per web page. Don't worry, you don't even need any previous skills for this since I will show you something in this video. Then you can complete different survey jobs. They will pay you even more money. It will pay you $5 as much as $50 per survey, which might appear like a lot. Yet, I don't personally prefer to complete those surveys since they can in some cases be lengthy and boring. So, it's not worth it to spend a lot of time on them. If you intend to earn some extra cash, you can likewise input your opinion about different products and services that you use. You can make money online by completing those simple surveys. You have other graphic design jobs, safety and security. You have some graphic design abilities. You can likewise finish them and gain $15 up to $40 per job you complete, which is additionally rather good. Also, I indicate you can also outsource this part if they pay you like $40 for a graphic design. You can eat and sometimes also hire a person on Fiverr or various other freelancing websites for like $5. In that method, you will certainly make $35 pure profit without completing any of the work yourself. So, you don't need any previous experiences or skills for this. Hire a person, you can outsource this work as well as it still works. You can still generate income with this area of the website graphic design work. I suggest that even if you have some drawing and Photoshop graphic skills, you can finish the work on your own. Yet, if you don't wish to do it on your own, you can outsource the job and also get, for example, $30 or $40 for an assignment. Go out there and find someone on the freelancing website like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer or freelancer.com. Hire someone for $5 as much as $10 and keep the remainder as earnings. You can likewise complete different PowerPoint presentations, so you can develop presentations and make money. You can make $3 per presentation slide, which is a great deal because you can make 10 slides in less than 10 minutes. So that's 30 for such a job is perfect. I recommend that you focus on this too. It's PowerPoint presentation jobs. You can likewise complete spreadsheet entry work and get paid 20 to 40 cents per cell. It's again okay, but it doesn't require time and also initiative, so I don't personally use this one. You can also complete voice recognition work and make $15 up to $40 per job. You can convert their medical prescription slips into text tools and also audio format. So all of these jobs you can outsource from various other freelancing websites. You can most definitely try to find somebody on various other freelancing websites and pay them $5 as much as $10 to do the work for you. After that, you can keep the rest as a profit without completing any of the work yourself. You can likewise post different ads for them to make sure that's actually simple and very easy. It pays you 50 cents per ad that you post. Also, it can take you less than 1 minute to upload an ad for them. So, you can find out more concerning it by clicking this link right here. That will precisely clarify just how to do it. Specifically, how you can get paid 50 cents per advertisement. You post for them 10 ads. Which you post, that's already $5, 100 ads that are currently $50 and so on forth. You likewise have language translation work. For this, you can locate different software online which will translate those projects for you. So you can make money approximately $30 per web page which you translate. So as you can see, you can make money up to $30 per page which you translate. They will send you several web pages. Often that's going to be a 5 web page document. That's going to end up depending on $150 if you can translate it. You can either outsource the work from another freelancing website or locate some software online that will certainly do the translation work for you. Translation of numerous document formats from one language to another can learn more. By clicking this web link right here, whichever work you intend to complete, you can click on the web link below it. You can find out more regarding it and exactly how you can finish it and what must be done. Currently, you can complete one of these jobs you choose. But let's say you want to do a language translation job that will certainly pay you $10 up to $30 per page you translate. To ensure that can quickly include that, because if they send you 10 web pages, it indicates you can make up to $300 in less than an hour of work. That's just a great deal because sometimes they may send you 10, 20 or 30 web pages which you can translate quickly and make money almost immediately. That can be hundreds of dollars in a single day. All you need to do is choose a job you like and click the web link below it. In this case, that's going to be this link right here where it says a translation of various document formats from one language to another. Now you will certainly be able to learn more concerning the project. In this case, it's most likely to state excellent clients reward work and the flexibility of working virtually. You can become a digital language translator as well as earn money either permanent or part-time. You can see that this might include Spanish, French, Arab, Hindi, German or any language too or from English. Suppose you have the ability to translate a web page from those languages to English or vice versa. In that case, you will have the ability to make $10 to $30 per page. 10 pages that are $100, approximately $300, and so on. Now, you need to be a maximum of 16 years old or over to complete this job and get paid hundreds of dollars and a quick and reliable internet connection. Also, it's a really friendly job that's going to permit you to make some suitable side earnings. I'm showing you this website because you are earning money $10, approximately $30 per page, which exceeds the US average hourly wage for a virtual language translator. This website pays more than the US average per hour wage, which is insane flexible hours. If you are getting free from 9 to 5 jobs and work wherever you want, whenever you desire, or right from your living room in the whenever area. It matters not where you are coming from. You can be throughout the world and still can make money with this platform for definitely cost-free. You can begin with this by scrolling to the bottom of the web page. Use by clicking on the application to be a digital language translator or whatever job you have selected. There is going to be a button right here where you can use it. So click on that and you can finish a lot more. You can complete the application by finding out more details about yourself. Now this platform is called HireSign. It is currently hiresign.com. You can come below. You can learn more regarding it on the home page. Click Start Working from Home. And that's going to take you over to this page where they will certainly inform you extra concerning their benefits. Gain from working home much better flexibility, more time and freedom. You have the freedom to work anywhere as well as whenever you wish to. If you intend to find more regarding it, you can click on Know More right here. That's going to take you to the following web page where you can discover more about their work. So let it load and you can find out more about it. Learn more concerning exactly how you will certainly be dealing with them. Specifically just how you can make money and exactly just how much you can make money. So there is a great deal of information on this web page. However, if you want to begin completing those jobs instantly, click Current Openings right here. It's going to take you over to this web page where you can browse each of different projects and different jobs you can finish. They will often pay you hundreds of dollars in a single day. Once again, if for example you finish the proofreading job that is paying you $10 per web page, you can spend 10 pages in a single day. That's say $100. That's up to $100 for that proofreading job. You can locate loads of various cost-free software online which are going to do the proofreading for you. So you don't require any English abilities for this. They can complete the job for you. You even have software like Grammarly, which is cost-free. You can go over to Google, search Grammarly, install it free of cost, and proofread the entire tags they provide you for the project. They will certainly inform you exactly just how much they will pay you. Indeed, you can finish each of these various jobs which, as I claimed, can make you hundreds of dollars in a single day. If you complete 10 pages for a translation job, you can pay it as much as $300 in a single day. It may take you less than an hour to complete it. So once again, this is already hiresign.com. Click Start Working from Home. Scroll a little bit down and click all current openings. So you can enter those jobs and also you can start making money today. And that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. Hit the like button. Also, you can share your opinion with us about the video in the comments below. And I will see you in the following videos.